That's amazing.
Sarap. Hi darling, so we just got home. We bought Starbucks again, tall ice caramel macchiato, and today I tried a new one. Ayan, parang gusto ko kasi ng something sweet, so I tried their donut na chocolate. So ayan, super laki pala nito. So, I'll just watch here while I eat this. Nag-dinner na kami guys, parang snack na lang to.
And I ran all the way here from the Polk station, the police station.
What were you doing before?
Chris Gardner, good to see you again. Have a seat. Come up here. And I want to earnestness of anything. And I don't want to tell you that I don't know. Is that fair enough?
Hi darlings, today is February 13 and it's already 3:58 p.m. and aalis kami today kasi nag-brand out pala sa place ko. We'll try to find for Kyle's costume sa birthday nga ng kapatid ko. This is my fit. I don't know if you can see. Ayan. Nag-jumper lang ako para madali lang gumalaw-galaw and all. So I don't know if mavavlog ko lahat. If isasama ko tong cam, lalo na pag pumunta kami ng palengke. Pero I'll try to. Okay, so first na gagawin naman is, what will we do first?
Withdraw.
Withdraw. Okay. So we're here na sa market guys. Ayan. Diyan kami magtitingin ng costume. Hindi ko nadadalhin yung camera ko. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo if may makita kami. It's now 5:18 p.m. Pumunta kami sa kabilang bayan. Dito ulit sa Santiago kasi nga brand out sa Etchage and we think wala kaming makakainan doon. So lumipat kami dito sa Santiago. And dito kami napadpad sa may Charinas. Lunch pa lang namin to guys. Nakabili na kami ng costume. Ayan, lunch. Thank you po.
Hindi mo yun, ang tip mo.
Ay,
Minutes pa yan.
ay
Charinas?
wala ko.
Hindi ko na alam.
Ikit sa mga bata.
Ares.
Sino nagto? So guys, it's currently, ilan na? Makita, 6:52 p.m. Dito lang kami ngayon sa drive-thru ng Jollibee kasi bibilan namin yung cute na bata. Pamangkin ko. Kasi sick siya. Thank you po. Hihi. Ito. Kinuha ko na. It's already 8:06 guys and we're here at Starbucks again. Not that I'm secreting it.
Ganun pala siya, akala ko wala.
Okay, so it's here. Ngayon ko lang to itatry. The Starbucks tall iced Americano. So yan, para mabalance yung bitter and sweet. Yun lang. Just got home and dumiretso na ako dito sa setup ko kasi I have lots of things to do. I'll be editing my videos pa kasi I have so many deadlines and ang dami kong kailangang asikasuhing PR. Alam nyo, super nagiging sweet tooth na ako. Kaya look, tignan nyo, sobrang laki nito para mas malaki pa sa face ko. Yan, for me lang. Ewan ko kung winarm nila to, parang hindi naman. Yeah, so, love it. Guys, look, tignan nyo. Hindi kasi ako nakontento, so nirehit ko siya. Grabe. Hindi ko naman inakala na ganito pala siya kaano na. Look, sobrang lusaw na siya. Okay, ang sarap.
Hindi ko nakuha. Pero okay lang.
Finally! Yan, syempre. Look. Di ba magagalit na sana ako eh. Thank you, love. Ang sweet mo. Hello everyone. So today is February 14. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. And it's currently 1:22 p.m. Actually, we have plans for today pero pang dinner pa. Dinner kami magsa-celebrate ni Kyle. I woke up earlier than usual kasi kanina pa actually ako gising but I fit clothes kasi hindi umabot yung laundry ko pero buti na lang may mga clothes ako dito na pwedeng isuot. So, I'll try my best para isama kayo sa mga ganap namin for today. You can see, kakaligo ko lang. Ayan, I also washed my hair, kaya rin maaga ako nagising kasi alam niyo naman, I need to style it ng tagal-tagal. And also, ngayon na ako naligo and I did my shower routine because it's a preparation na rin kasi tomorrow na yung birthday ng sister ko na sinasabi ko. So, para isahan na lang.
Barely. I probably just asked for directions to the beach.
That's amazing. Any other hidden talents I should know about?
I'm a lawyer.
Lawyer?
I know. I'm not.
Oh, I'm sorry, 1 second. Hey, ma'am? Ma'am,
Hi darlings! It's already 6:16 and paalis na kami dito. Pumunta kami ulit sa Santiago kasi dun kami magsa-celebrate ng Valentine's Day. And look! Meron pa siyang pahabol. Super laki. Thank you! Yan. So, I have 2 bouquets here. Kasi dinala ko yung isa. Kasi pang picture sana. Tapos meron pala to sa car. So sweet. Are you sweet?
Sweet like Dwight Ramos, guys.
We're here lang sa pagsa-celebrate na namin here at Charina's Food Central. So, we rented a KTV room. We're doing this every year. Ayan. Hi, Kailin. And si sponsor. Super luwang ng room kasi as far as we know, this is good for 15 packs. May lang dalawa dito. Ayan. KTV, and we also ordered foods na rin pang dinner and all. So guys, this is my song for Kyle. Ewan ko ba kung bakit ay di ka naman guwapo. Panay ka na siyang nagmamabutol. So I ordered tequila sunrise. Sarap. So we're gonna go, guys. Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's